Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I want to make an update video on the Mealime meal planner. So last year I made a video about Mealime and how you can set it or configure it so that it gives you low carb meals. It has a low carb option, but it also still added like corn and certain things that aren't keto friendly. And so I sent the support team an email asking them to consider coming up with a keto option. Initially, they said that there's only 3 members, so they were working on it, but it was kind of on hold just because they had so many other features they needed to work on. So a couple months ago, when my membership expired, I sent them another email saying that I really want to pay for the membership again, but I would love it if they could, come up with a keto setting. And again, they said they're working on it. I explained to them how keto has grown very rapidly and how they're kind of losing out on some clients or some memberships just by not having that feature. So they agreed and decided to get back to me, and lo and behold, about a week, 2 weeks ago, I got an email saying that a keto option was added. I haven't really explored it that much. I've been trying to make a video, but this is my wedding season, so I'm pretty busy right now. In fact, I'm between weddings now. I got about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go through the regular classic menu, and then I'm gonna switch it over to keto and see what kind of different recipes we get. So let's check this out. All right, guys, so let me get into this Mealime app right here. Okay, and so just a few minutes ago, I brought it back to the advanced, where we get to choose our recipe, put it on the classic menu type, and then I also unchecked all the options that I had checked before. So let's see what happens if I decide to build a meal plan. What kind of options do we get? Okay. All right, so right off the bat, you can see there's this bun in there. That's not good. I see pineapple. Okay. Now the chicken and sweet potato curry. The sweet potato is actually not too bad. This one says veggie burrito bowl with salsa, guacamole, and cheddar. And I wonder if it has rice. Let me see what the ingredients are on this one. Yeah, it has rice. So obviously that's not keto friendly. I see some tacos with tortillas. I see a quesadilla. It looks like a flour tortilla on that one. It looks like this pork right here, pork schnitzel with German cucumber salad. It looks like it's breaded. Okay, these aren't too bad though. Apple puree on this pan-fried pork chops. Honey, soy glazed salmon, so honey is not good. Spaghetti squash is actually not too bad. We ate it before when we first started on keto, but we decided to go ultra low carb. So broccoli and cheddar frittata, that's actually seems pretty keto friendly. Thai pineapple fried rice with shrimp. Obviously the fried rice is not good. Okay, so we get a nice idea of some of the recipes here, and obviously a lot of them are not so keto friendly, and some are very keto friendly. So I'm assuming that the keto option is just going to get rid of those. Okay, so now let's go ahead and change the settings. So we're going to go settings, edit preference, and we're going to go keto. Now this is the first time that I set it to keto and that I look at the menu. And so I'm watching it right with you guys. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay. Keep going. So build your meal plan. Alright, good. Beef burger patties with garlic, aioli, and roasted carrot fries. Cilantro lime chicken thighs with avocado tomato salsa. Chicken breast. Oh man, everything looks pretty good. New York strip steak with mushroom sauce and cauliflower puree. Nice. This portobello mushroom thing is, I did that before when I first started keto. I made some burgers instead of buns. I used the mushrooms, so that's excellent. Look at that. Oh man, that's crazy. It makes everything so much easier. Look at all these recipes. Now, in case you haven't noticed, the ones with the Pro icon on there show up only because I have the membership. Otherwise, you won't get those, but you still have a lot of options. Look at that. There's just gonna keep scrolling to see. Okay. So right now what I'm doing is I'm scanning to see anything obviously not keto. But everything looks really good. Everything looks, maybe this one right here, chicken fingers and avocado dip with green beef. Okay, so let's see. It looks like it's breaded, but I want to see if so that looks better right there, right? Okay, so shredded unsweetened coconut. Oh man, these guys are smart. Good. Okay, so this one has apple, bacon, and cheddar frittata. Okay, one apple is not too bad actually, especially for the whole thing. So I still say that's keto friendly. Everything looks good. Grilled turmeric chicken with minty cucumber avocado salad. Nice. Some zucchini noodles over here. Has some carrots, it looks like, but carrots aren't terrible. So 2 medium carrots. It's not crazy. Wow, those are all really good recipes. So a lot of these were showing up when I had it set to low carb and remove some of the other ingredients. So I don't see too many new ones. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to kind of go through and see the recipes that popped up when I set it to the keto option without removing any of the ingredients that aren't normally considered keto friendly. There's a few things that with moderation can still be keto friendly, like apples, but besides that, I'm happy. I can't wait to make my next week's meal plan, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.